everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing of the Allure Summer Mystery Box. Allure is a new subscription for me. I started with Ipsy, I've tried FabFitFun, I'm trying Allure. On the Allure site I saw that they had mystery boxes, so you know I had to try them and see what they were about. And today is the Summer Mystery Box. This is the Allure Summer Mystery Bundle 2. I don't know if they had two different options. This was the only one available on the site. I believe it was about $35. So let's get into it. This is all what's in the box. Lately I see the Libre perfume sample. This is such a classic perfume. Love this. Next is the Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. I love the Ahava brand. So it's like a purifying mask with minerals from the Dead Sea. Awesome, love that. Next is the Belief Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. It's like a little mini travel niacinamide. It does actually have some like shimmer in it. Oh wow, it smells really good. I'm not sure if that's showing up on camera, but it does have some shimmer in it. Next is the Merit Shade Slick Jelly and Ombre Pomade. Okay, this is the Merit Tinted Lip Oil in Jet. Ooh, I love orangey peach colors. They complement my skin tone really well and they bring out the green in my eyes. That is such a beautiful color. Actually comes out pretty clear. Okay, love that. Next is the Flower Beauty by Drew, the Perfect Pout Soft Matte Lip Color. The packaging is actually beautiful, especially for a drugstore. It's very heavy. It's a frosted glass component. I have not tried any products from Flower Beauty, so interesting that they would include this. Oh wow, this is a beautiful, again, soft matte like the name says. It's almost like the perfect cherry red color. Awesome. I love a red lip from time to time, so that's really cool. And it's hard to find the perfect red lip. Some are a little yellow, some are a little blue. That one is really beautiful. Next is the Aceology Passion Fruit Purifying Lip Scrub. I love passion fruit so much. And how cool that it's a lip scrub. Ooh, it's super fine texture but rough, and I actually really like that. It smells so good. It smells like passion fruit. This is awesome. Not even gonna get ahead of myself, but there's still 4 more products, and for the value, $35, this mystery bundle from Allure is definitely worth it. If there's still some available on the site, I highly recommend grabbing one. You get a lot of bang for your buck with this box. Then are the 3 Ships Dewdrops. And this is mushroom, cockadoo plum, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so it's like a little travel size, basically like a plumping serum for your skin. And is another Belief product. This is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Okay. Don't love the packaging. Ooh, but for a travel mini, not bad. Interesting. It's like a little top hat. The smell is really great, and it's a blue product, which personally I love blue products. I don't know why, I'm really drawn to them. Then there's still more. Can you even believe it? Then is the Sicilian Light Vegan Squalene Prickly Pear Blood Orange Truffle Complex. This is Plump and Illuminate face serum. I'm gonna give that a go. And last in the Allure Summer Mystery Bundle is the Skin Inc Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. Nutrient-rich deep sea water, soybean extract, and hyaluronic acid. Deep sea water. You think they really went to the deep sea and got water and put it in this mask? This is one of those masks that you can leave on overnight, which I absolutely love overnight masks. So 100% gonna give that a go. That is what was in my Summer Mystery Bundle 2 from Allure. My honest opinion, this mystery bundle is so worth it. There were so many products in it that are high end, and even with 1 or 2 products alone, you get your $35 back, but there was a lot to experiment with between makeup, face serums, face masks. I think this bundle is absolutely worth every penny. So if it's still available on the site, go ahead and grab yourself one. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And thank you guys so much for watching. It really means the world to me.